Hello everyone, so for today, we're going to talk about the cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR under the respiratory system. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, or CPR, is an emergency life-saving procedure performed when the heart stops beating. Immediate CPR can double or triple chances of survival after cardiac arrest. CPR consists of the use of chest compressions and artificial ventilation to maintain circulatory flow and oxygenation during cardiac arrest. Although survival rates and neurologic outcomes are poor for patients with cardiac arrest, early appropriate resuscitation, including early defibrillation when needed, and appropriate implementation of post-cardiac arrest care lead to improved survival and neurologic outcomes. So why is CPR important? It is an important first aid keeping the blood flow active, even partially extends the opportunity for a successful resuscitation once trained medical staff arrive on site. It keeps people alive until the rescue came. So these are the steps in performing CPR. First step is the letter D. D stands for danger. It makes sure that the area is safe for you and the others. Next for it is R, response. You shake them gently in the shoulder and ask them if they are okay. Next is S, or the shout for help. If there is no response after the shaking of the shoulders, you should shout for help. Next to it is the airway, or the A. Gently tilt the head back to open up the airway. Next is breathing, or B. Look, listen, and feel for a sense of breathing for at least 10 seconds. Circulation, or C. Flow of blood around the body. You push hard and fast in their chest up for about 5 centimeters and rescue breaths to two rescue breaths for every 30 chest compressions. So this is the other step if applicable and necessary, and when is available in the area. D for defibrillator. A defibrillator is a device that provides an electric shock to your heart to allow it to get out of potentially fatal abnormal heart rhythm or arrhythmia. Ventricular tachycardia with no pulse or ventricular fibrillation and back to the normal rhythm. So that is all for today. Thank you for listening. I hope you learn well from us.